The engine air filter plays a crucial role in keeping dirt, dust and debris out of your engine. A clean air filter ensures optimal airflow, improving fuel economy, engine performance and reducing emissions. So when should you replace it in your Kia Sportage? Kia recommends checking the engine air filter every 7,500 miles or about 12,000 kilometers. For normal driving conditions, you will usually need to replace it around 30,000 miles or 48,000 kilometers for non-turbo models. For turbo models, filter replacement is recommended at 24,000 miles or 40,000 kilometers. However, if you frequently drive in dusty or harsh environments like I do, consider inspecting and possibly replacing it more often. To check the filter, open the hood and locate the air filter housing. You'll have to open this air filter cover. Just pull it from the top edges and swing it downward. Now you will see two locking levers on the air filter. Turn the levers downward to unlock the filter. Then pull out the filter from the housing. Now how do you know if the filter is dirty and needs replacement? When I place it next to a new filter, sure it looks dirty, but there's another neat little trick that can help it determine if the filter really needs a replacement. Here's how you do it. Take your old filter and hold it up against the sun. If you can see light passing through it clearly, the filter is still in good condition. However, if the light only passes through in some areas, it's getting dirty and needs replacement. But if you can't see any light at all, like in our case, the filter is severely clogged. That means it should have been replaced a while ago. For comparison, let me show you how a new filter looks like against the sun. You can see the light very clearly. You may be wondering how many miles have I driven on this filter for it to become so clogged. Well, it's only 10,000 kilometers or 6,000 miles. This is because I live in a very dusty and polluted environment. This proves why it is so important to regularly inspect your engine air filter. Replacing a clogged air filter helps your engine breathe easier, improving performance and fuel efficiency. Plus, it's an easy and affordable maintenance task you can do yourself. When installing a new filter in your Kia Sportage, don't forget to turn the locking levers upward to lock the air filter in place. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Wheeljourney for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.